Have you ever received an email from your supervisor or a senior asking you to finish a task by COB or EOD? If you feel lost or anxious on seeing these acronyms, you are not alone. Not knowing corporate acronyms can lead to unforeseen consequences, such as missed deadlines. To avoid such situations, let us learn some corporate acronyms and be a better communicator. First, let us learn some deadline-oriented acronyms. Here are some deadline-oriented acronyms and their expanded forms. EOB stands for End of Business. COB stands for Close of Business. EOD stands for End of Day. COD stands for Close of Day. EOP End of Play. COP Close of Play. All these acronyms mean the same and can be used one for the other while referring to the day and deadline. All these deadlines are applicable on any business day. Are you not sure about the meaning of a business day? Well, a business day is any day from Monday to Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. as per the local time where the business is based. If someone asks you to complete a certain task by the close of a business day, then they mean that the task needs to be completed by 5 p.m. on that day. However, there is a catch. Even if a company runs 24-hour operations, the use of these acronyms still implies that the task needs to be completed by 5 p.m. on that day. Let us have a look at some examples. Would it be possible for you to provide us the sample by EOB tomorrow? Here, the task needs to be completed by 5 p.m. tomorrow. We will look forward to receiving final designs by EOB on 18th February. Here, the task needs to be completed by 5 p.m. on 18th February. This task is little urgent. Could you please complete it by EOB? Here, the task needs to be completed by 5 p.m. today. In all and other similar situations, all the above acronyms, that is COB, EOD, COD, EOP, COP, will fit well in place of EOB. Now it is up to us to decide which acronym we prefer to use. Thank you and have a great day.